In this video, I will talk about what is the binary search. Binary search is an efficient algorithm which is used to find the targeted element of index in a sorted array. So while repeating the all those index element in the array, we use to find the targeted element of index. What does it mean the dividing the array into two parts? We divide the array index into two parts, half on left and right. We try to search in a mid value is targeted value index or not. If it is targeted value mid value, then we return to the method. If it is not, then we try to increase the mid index to the left or right. If value is greater than the present mid value, then we move to the right. If it is less than the mid left, decrease the mid value. Then so on we do this thing repeatedly and divide the index into two parts, and then try to search in the conditionally that if it is find, then we return to mid to the method. If it is not, then so on it will go until the index will go over array. So let's create a sorted array, then we will find out the targeted element of index in a binary search method. Okay, so let's create a method integer variable int variable, provide it sorted element into the array 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 and 60. These are the sorted element of array. So we will require here to create a static method where we will apply here the binary search method static. This method will return here integer type, and I am giving here the name of it binary search, and again I am passing here the integer array and which variable, which element of array we are targeting, that also have to pass here. Okay, now what we are doing here, we are just index dividing the two parts and returning the middle well. If the targeted element, then return the index of that element. If it is not, then increase the left side and then divide it two parts and try to compare it again. If it is mid one that value, then return the index. Until unless we will do it same repetitive times until you don't find the index of element. I hope you will get understood. Let's try to code in a detailed manner. So firstly what we'll do, we assign here the index 0 from the last. So here the left index, I am supposing here the index 0, and right is the ARR. Okay, here ARR is the length of an array. Length is what? Length minus 1. This is the last index of array. Okay, so let's write a while loop. It will traverse from the left to right. Okay, until unless it will become a left will be left then right, and if it is equal to the right, then it will get terminated the loop. Okay, this is the while loop I'm applying here. So what we will do here, we will here divide into two parts, the left and right, means index divide into two part, and try to find out if mid one is the value targeted element, then we will return the index of that element. Okay, so let left plus right and divide by 2, right, and let's check out the condition. If ARR mid is equal to targeted value. Okay, I hope you will be understanding what I am doing here. Then return what? Mid value, right? We are return the mid index here. We have to just return the index of that targeted element, right? Right here the syntax right mid. Okay, if the target element is not match the mid value, then we will apply here the another condition. If mid is less than to target value, we will increase the mid to right. Okay, so target element here and left to right we are increasing here. So we'll write here mid plus 1, right? And again I'm making mistake here, spelling mistake. Okay, and else part what will be here, the right mid minus 1. This is your whole code. If your element is not found in the whole array, then what we will return here, we will return here the -1. It means that index not present any such a value that you are trying to find out. I hope you will get understood. It's very simple to traverse the while loop. Left should be less than 2 or greater than right until unless it become equal. Okay, and mid divided left or right in two parts, and we are just comparing the mid value. If it is target value, then return the mid index. If it is not, then move to the left and divide into two parts and find out the mid. If it is mid the targeted value, then return the mid index. This is the binary search. Let's call this method and see how it's working. Let's call it, I am here targeting the target element, and target I am targeting here 50. Okay, right? And let's call the binary search and pass here the array and target element, and I am returning here, so we will require here to create another variable inside result. Okay, right? Let's print here if result is not -1. It means that if you have found the index of element, then return here system.out.println, and the element element found at index. We will here print the index result variable. Here it will store the index. Okay, else part if else part will be system.out.println if inside the index, what inside the quotation, what we are doing here message, element not found in the array. Okay, this message I have written here, and just run this program and see what the 15 element is present. Yes, it is present, but which index is it is present, this method will return here. Let's execute this program. Yeah, element found at the index 4. How? You know very well index start from the 0, so 0 10 0 0 10. Okay, and then 1 2 3 4. Yeah, it is right, it's present on the index 4. The targeted element index is 4. I hope you will get understood. If you want to change the element what it is returning right now, let's run it again. I given it 20, I want to, it should return the 1. Okay, yeah, element found at the index 1. So this is the binary search. You just divide into two part array, and mid will try to compare the target value. If it is mid one value that found, that return the index number. If it is not, then increase means apply one condition, means mid value is less than the target value, then move mid to right. If it is not, means left to right, mid will increase, and again divide that index in a two part and compare the mid value. If it targeted value match, then return that value. If it is not, then again so on condition will go on until unless it loop while loop get over. Okay, I hope you will get understood what is the binary search. Okay, till then, goodbye.